So, as we have been discussing about the rules that we need to keep in mind while doing the gap filling or the editing task, and the last rule that we discussed about the auxiliary verb has, have, had. Has, have, had will always be followed by the third form, and in the passive voice form, has, have, had will be succeeded by been. So let's have a look on the one of the exercise. One of the problems facing the world today is global warming. One of the dash problems facing the world today is global warming. Many scientists believe that our production of carbon dioxide and the other greenhouse gases is having a heating effect on the atmosphere, and this dash be very dangerous for human life. We dash examine the problem of global warming and suggest some ways of solving it. Now here there are three blanks that have been given. So let's see what could be the correct option. So in the first option is bigger, biggest, big, most, big. So the question, let's read out the question again. One of the dash problems facing the world today is global warming, and the options are bigger, biggest, big, most big. First of all, as we know that there are 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. As we have already discussed that if there would be the superlative degree, this will always be preceded by the comparative degree, will show the comparison between two things or persons, and that will be mostly followed by then. And big, if it is a simple positive degree, then it will show simply state the things or the persons as it is without any comparison. So the question is one of the dash problems, and most big is doesn't a superlative degree or any other degree is an incorrect word. So one of the dash problems facing the world, as we know that the world may be facing more than 2 problems. There are several problems, actually there are many problems. So comparative degree will not be there, and moreover dash the is there before the blank. So definitely here the rule of adjective superlative, the plus superlative is being applicable, so the correct option would be biggest. One of the biggest problems facing the world today is global warming. Many scientists believe that our production of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases is having a heating effect on the atmosphere, and this dash be very dangerous for human life. Now let's see the options. The second is could, shall, is, ought. So before being sure, we must know that where to be used could, where to be used shall, is or ought. As we have already discussed when we did the model verbs, that ought is used to depict or to tell about the moral duty, is used in the present time, shall for the future, and if it is used with the other subjects then I or we, then it will show the determination, a threat. But here and could shows the possibility and polite request. So here the sentence is many scientists believe that our production of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases is having a heating effect on the atmosphere, and this. So as we know that could is used for the possibility, so this would be the correct option. This could be very dangerous for human life. We dash examine the problem of global warming and suggest some ways of solving it. And the next sentence is we dash examine the problem of warming and suggest some ways of solving it. And the options are may, can, should, must. We know that may is used for possibility, can is used for capacity, permission and eligibility, and should is used for advice and recommendation, and must, that is used for necessity and compulsion. So as per the sentence, the correct option would be must. and we must examine the problem of global warming and suggest some ways of solving it. Now let's see the one more exercise. The Delhi police dash busted a gang of robbers. Dash had robbed 20 crore dash a bank. The arrested have dash identified as Jaswant Tiwari, his brother Hemant Tiwari, dash his uncle Mithilesh Tiwari. So the first sentence is the Delhi police dash busted a gang of robbers. So first, as a whole, you have to identify the time of the tense. This has already happened. So here the time is the perfect time. So the Delhi police dash busted a gang of robbers. So as we have already discussed that with police, as per its formation, if we talk about particularly Delhi police, Punjab police, Mumbai police, then it will take a singular verb. So let's see the options: has, have, had and will have. The Delhi police dash busted, have will not come, had can come and will have, because there we are not talking about the future time. So the two options are left. One is has and the other one is had. So the Delhi police dash busted a gang of robbers, because it is still impacting. So here it is talking about the present time. So here the correct option would be has busted. And the next is robbers dash had robbed 20 crores. So it is talking about the gang of robbers. So here the correct option would be either whom, who, when, whose. What would be? Let's check. Dash had robbed 20 crore. Who have robbed, whom had robbed, when had robbed, or whose. So as we are talking about the gang of robbers, so the correct word which will be the subject here? Who had robbed 20 crore dash a bank, of a bank, to a bank, from a bank or towards a bank. Bank say, from a bank. The arrested have dash identified as Jaswant Singh, his brother Hemant Tiwari, dash his uncle Mithilesh Tiwari. The arrested have. So here kindly note down this sentence is here in passive voice. The arrested have dash identified. So here the correct option would be B. So as in the last, there would be his brother Hemant Tiwari and his uncle Mithilesh Tiwari. So dear students, just complete these exercises in your notebooks, and I'm going to share with you few more assignments related to gap filling. I hope that you would complete all the work in your notebooks and just watch this video carefully, go through the rules, and if you have any query, any doubt related to any of the rule, you can consult me, you can ask me anytime. I would be there to help you out in every situation. So till the time, complete your work, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.